Hey, I wanted to show off a little bit of a package that came today, and so I didn't do an official unboxing, but I just got everything unwrapped, which was wrapped super well. I think I've talked plenty before about Meryl and her amazing team at the Glass Underground, and so I would just want to show you some stuff that I got that's kind of new. Meryl had shared that they did this custom, this is not going to come across in video like I want. They had this custom glass done just for them, just for Glass Underground. It is light aventurine green with aventurine blue and then darker aventurine green streaky throughout. So you can only get this at the Glass Underground. And there, you can see that fairly well. It is gorgeous. So I bought 3 8x10, or excuse me, 10x10s of that. So I just wanted to show you that. I don't know what I'm gonna make with this, but I'm gonna covet this and be very selective because it's beautiful. I also showed in a video a while back about hearts that I was fusing and then putting on greeting cards, and they had these heart molds that are 3 and they're small. There were 3 in there, so I bought a couple of those just so I could ramp up my production of those. But then what I really wanted to show you here, I'm sure if you haven't seen the cast iron hearts, then you might be living under a rock. And I have not jumped onto that cast iron bandwagon, but Meryl had a new Firelight Forms mold 7055 that kind of mimics that. You've got 9 hearts in here. They're relatively large, I think 2¼ inches. Yeah, 2¼ inches by about 2 inches tall. So if you don't own a piece of the cast iron and you're not into that, and you'd prefer to cast into something that's more traditional ceramic, now there's a form for you. So these might be sold elsewhere, but I happen to pick this up from the Glass Underground. So that's it. I'm eager to play with this. I'm going to spray it down with Zip. Obviously, I'm casting into this, so I use Zip. Same with these. I don't know that I'll do a video on these in the future. Maybe I will. I haven't decided yet. But I just wanted to show you that there is now a ceramic mold alternative to the cast iron that you may have seen. And then I was pretty geeked out by this glass, and so I just wanted to show that. Hope everybody's doing great. Keep fusing, be fearless, practice, play, learn from your mistakes, and hope everybody's doing well. Catch you later. Bye.